Hi, questions in probability. In this textbook, problems in chapter 4, problem 4.34, exam 4B. A product that is sold seasonally gets a net profit of $B for each unit sold, and a net loss of $D for each unit left unsold when the season ends. The number of units of the product that are ordered at a specific department store during any season is a random variable having probability mass function Gi. Now, suppose that the department store incurs an additional cost of C for each unit of unmet demand. Compute the expected profit when the store stocks S units and determine the value of S that maximizes the expected profit. Solution: for the number of units ordered equals or less than the number of units stocked, the profit is the total dollars for the units sold minus the dollars for the units left unsold. For the number of units ordered, X is greater than the number of units stocked, S. The profit is the dollar for units sold minus the cost for unmet demand. So the profit PS is given by this one. So the expected profit EPS is given by this one. The expected profit EPS equals this one. To determine the optimal value S, we consider EPS plus 1 given by this one. This gives this one. From this one, we see that stocking S plus 1 units will be better than stocking S units whenever this inequality holds. Then there exists S star such that we have those inequalities. This gives those inequalities. We conclude stocking S star plus 1 units will lead to a maximum expected profit. Problem 4.47. In some military courts, 9 judges are appointed. However, both the prosecution and the defense attorneys are entitled to a peremptory challenge of any judge, in which case that judge is removed from the case and is not replaced. A defendant is declared guilty if the majority of judges cast votes of guilty, and he or she is declared innocent otherwise. Suppose that when the defendant is in fact guilty, each judge will independently vote guilty with probability 0.7, whereas when the defendant is in fact innocent, this probability drops to 0.3. What is the probability that a guilty defendant is declared guilty when there are 9, 8, and 7 judges? B. Repeat part A for an innocent defendant. C. If the prosecuting attorney does not exercise the right to a peremptory challenge of a judge, And if the defense is limited to at most two such challenges, how many challenges should the defense attorney make if he or she is 60% certain that the client is guilty? Solution. Define the events C and D. We see these results. And we see these results. Consider this case. Suppose that we have this probability. Then we have this conclusion. Thanks for watching. Bye.